This is the ultimate guide to AI side hustles that can replace your 9-to-5 job. If you've ever wanted to walk away from your 9-to-5 and let AI power your income, this is the most important video you'll hear today. Replacing a job doesn't come from doing more tasks. It comes from building systems. AI gives you leverage, the ability to produce more in less time, automate tasks, and scale without hiring a team. Think of AI as your digital employee, working around the clock. The truth is, AI has completely leveled the playing field. You don't need coding skills, expensive tools, or years of experience. You just need a consistent workflow. Let's start with the first income stream, the AI content agency. This is incredibly powerful because businesses constantly need content. AI makes you faster than almost every traditional freelancer. You can offer short-form video scripts, captions, quote graphics, and more. Clients only care that you deliver high-quality content quickly. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and others, this becomes a repeatable system. A small handful of clients can bring in $1,500 to $6,000 a month. Next is AI automation services, one of the fastest-growing opportunities. You don't need to code. You just need to connect tools. Automate lead capture, email follow-ups, or customer support chatbots for businesses. Third, we have AI digital products, the most beginner-friendly path to passive income. AI lets you create profitable digital assets in minutes. Think Canva templates, Notion dashboards, planners, or ChatGPT prompt packs. You create once, upload it, and sales can come in any time of day. After you build a small library of products, it's completely normal to see $500 to $5,000 a month, and sometimes more, completely passively. Fourth is AI freelancing, the fastest way to make your first online dollar. Offer AI-assisted copywriting, resumes, market research, or social media content packages. Finally, we have YouTube automation, the highest upside model on the list. This lets you build a faceless YouTube channel where AI handles the heavy lifting. AI generates scripts, voiceovers, editing sequences, research, and even thumbnail ideas. You focus on consistency while AI does the creation. Your income comes from ads, affiliate links, digital products, and sponsorships. With consistency, channels like this can grow into $1,000 to $20,000 a month depending on the niche. So how do you choose the right one? Start by asking yourself 3 simple questions. First, do you want clients? Second, do you want passive income? And third, do you want a high-ticket, scalable offer? You're not locked into one path. Master one and add more over time. If you want a shortcut to get started, download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below. Subscribe for daily videos on building a smarter income with AI, and I'll see you in the next episode.